To search by rating, first install the FC Enhancer extension/app from the link in the description. Once the extension is installed, go to Transfer Market Search. You will now have an additional button to search by rating. Choose your desired rating. And if needed, you can exclude your existing club players from the results. In the results page, you can change the purchase price percentage to control the price for which you want it to buy. I am going to set 95% to 110%. The enhancer will auto-calculate 3 bid price based on the range you selected. You can unselect players you don't want to buy. Click on Start Buying. The enhancer will try to buy the selected players for price range you selected. Wait for the enhancer to finish. You can click on Stop Buying to stop the enhancer anytime. Once the enhancer is finished, you can go to your club players page and find the players enhancer purchased.